Today, I want to guide you on how to create ads by yourself using a new AI tool. Even if you have no background in tech,
this training is for beginners. It's for startups, side hustles, small business owners, and anyone who wants to stop depending on designers or agencies just to create ads.
By the end of this session, you will understand how AI helps you create ads, how to prepare your product properly, and how to generate professional ad creatives with confidence. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to understand the process.
Step 1. Prepare before you log in. Most beginners skip this. AdCreative.ai does not guess your product. The quality of your ad depends on the quality of information you prepare before logging in. Before you open the website, write down product name, target audience, main problem it solves, key benefits, call to action, platform you want to advertise on. Example, product name, Niger Taste Egusi Soup Pack. Audience, Nigerians in the UK. Problem, missing authentic Nigerian meals. Benefit, ready to cook, authentic taste. CTA, order now. Platform, Facebook and Instagram. Go to AdCreative.ai platform. See link in the comment. Sign in or start a trial account. Once inside, click Create New Project. Step 3. Create your brand setup. Now you'll enter brand details. You'll fill in brand name, website. For training, you can use a placeholder. Industry, food and beverage. Target audience, tone, friendly, bold, trustworthy, etc. Important. Even if your website is not live, you can still create ads for demo purposes. Now, I want to be very clear about something. The product images we are using today are free stock images. They are not real product photos. The website we'll enter is also not a live website. It's only for training purposes. And that's completely okay. For real campaigns, always use your actual product photos. But for learning and practice, stock images are perfectly fine. Upload image. Choose your downloaded product image. These images help the AI understand the type of food, the culture, and the quality we want to communicate. So, upload a clear, high-quality image for best results. Now we click Generate Creatives. This is where the AI does the heavy lifting. In a few seconds, AdCreative.ai will create multiple ad images, headlines, and call to action options. Example, headline, missing real Nigerian food? Enjoy authentic Egusi soup in the UK. Ready to cook and delivered fast. Call to action, order now. At this stage, don't rush. AI gives suggestions, humans make decisions. We look for clear visuals, simple messaging, emotional connection, and a strong call to action. We don't rewrite everything. We refine. Small changes. Better headlines. Clearer offers. Stronger emotion. Make a big difference. You can edit text. Regenerate variations. Change color styles. You can tweak text or regenerate new versions. Once we're happy with our creatives, we download them. Choose format, PNG or JPG. From here, you can upload them to Facebook, Instagram, or any ad platform. Download your final ad creative. Start small, test a few ads, let data guide you. This is not about being perfect. It's about learning, testing, and improving. AI tools like AdCreative.ai don't replace marketers. They replace guesswork.
So don't need expensive designers? Free us. If you can explain your idea clearly, you can use AI to bring it to life.
Whether you're building a startup, starting a side hustle, or learning to do things yourself, this skill gives you independence. Now it's your turn. Go create your first ad.